按动之前 before conducting the dawn transmitting ceremony, aware of tea and fresh food to God at the holy altar to show our seriousness and sincere. This is a very solemn traditional Chinese ceremony of the Zhou dynasty about 3,000 years ago. We were like to ask the gentleman to stand on the right-hand side of the room, and the lady on the left-hand side of the room. Please observe with silence throughout the ceremony. Please also ensure that your wearing is neat and tidy, and make sure that all buttons are secured in place. Thank you. 办道礼节2，请谈仪容天表。Content ceremony 进行典礼。The master is now completing the ceremony. This ceremony is to invite the grace of God, Abdallah angels, to come to this holy altar. During this ceremony, all the Abdallah and angels has come to protect this holy altar. The Abdallah and angels protect this holy altar so that the master can transmit the Tao to us. Book of Life 龙天表 The master is reading the ascended statement. This is to present our thankfulness toward the God, Heavenly Mother, to report the Heavenly Mother that you are willing to receive the device, treasure, Tao. When your names are reported on the Book of Life, that means your names are deleted from the hell and registered in the heaven. After your death, the Abdallah and angels will not bring your spirit to the hell, but to heaven. 办道礼节3，领导礼拜与答话。Guiding praying， 引导礼拜。Please come up here and kneel down on the cushion. Please focus your sight on the middle line. Please focus your attention on the middle line. Take 3 incense with both hands. Make a bow. Take 1 piece of incense and put it in the center of the urn. Please use your left hand. Make another bow. Take another piece of incense and put it at the right side of the urn. Make the last piece of incense and put it at the left side of the urn. Please bend down and pray. 10. First prayer, second prayer, third prayer. 亦可用 take. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your left hand on the top and cover your right hand and place your both hands on your chest. When you pray, please pray like this on the cushion. Take. Please stand up. Please follow my action. Do not worry and take it easy. If you cannot follow me, please tell me, and I will do it again for you. Guiding answering. 引导答话。When you hear your name, please say yes or here. If your name is not correctly called, please tell us at once. If you cannot follow me, please tell me, and I will say it again for you. 按道理结束，请导师介绍与历练。Introducer and Grant 隐私与导师。Introducer is the person who brought us or introduced us to the knowledge of Tao. The introducer tells you that the Tao is not a purpose religious state. Issue does not make any money or benefit from such introduction. The grantor is the person who owns this holy altar. The grantor built this holy altar so that we can have the chance, place to receive the Tao. The grantor is the person who makes a guarantee that we have an appropriate character and virtues to receive the Tao, and that we are a good citizen of the country. Because of the effort and sincerity from the introducer, and the grantor, we can have the chance to receive the previous Tao. Now the introducer and the grantor are going to kneel down before the God, Heavenly Mother, to take a vow to show her sincerity. Taking vow, 立愿. With all my sincere heart, I kneel down before the Heavenly Mother, God above. Today, I am willing to declare my sincerity to introduce and to guarantee the person to receive the greater Tao and the true propagation of cell nature. I declare that if this is a purpose religious sect, if I guide this person to a wrong direction, if I get any money from this introduction, if the person I introduce is not with appropriate character and virtues, I am willing to be punished by heaven, God, above. This is a very solemn and serious oath, vow.